This is the Toffee Apple-Tini. Look at it. Super cool, super fun. Watch this one. Caramel syrup. That's a good start. Okay, get the caramel syrup, right? Rim our coupe glass or martini glass in that. Beautiful. Okay, now we can put that aside for a second and get down to the mix. Ice in our glass, caramel vodka. Frangelico, which is hazelnut. Come behind it with some apple juice. All right. Some caramel syrup. And then we can shake this bad boy, okay? Shake, 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 shake. Strain that in. Got a super cool garnish for this one too, okay? After you're done straining, come behind with a nice apple slice in our glass, and there you have it, okay? The Toffee Apple-Tini, delicious, super fun, and good to go. Do you love it? Yeah, classy. All right, that's right. Get some fruits up in your homeboy. Don't put your finger, whatever, ready in. Take a little bite. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. Later.